Flat 2.0 is now the modern design standard, especially for web designs. If that's the case, why don't we apply that in our videos as well? Hey there, Chamal Tatis here, a professional video creator who is now in the internet marketing world. This is episode 29 of our video blogs, and today I'm going to talk about Flat 2.0, the modern design standard. Flat 2.0 is an improved version of flat designs, which is a flat minimalistic rendition of objects and elements. It is in contrast to skeuomorphism, which renders the realistic look of things. Flat design started way back in the 1950s, but was initially introduced by Microsoft in the digital world in early 2000. Then it became really popular when Apple used flat UI design in iOS 7 in 2013 and Google in their material design in 2014. And while flat design became the modern standard because of their sleek, minimalistic approach, it was criticized because of the lack of usability when it comes to the apps that used it. That's when designers adapted Flat 2.0, which uses subtle gradient and shadows to serve a better user experience. So because Flat 2.0 is now the modern standard, it's a great idea to apply it in our videos as well. Actually, I saw this trend about 2 years ago, so it's what I've been doing with the videos I create. And well, good for me because I can create flat animations using After Effects and use them as elements in my videos. But if you're not like me, you're probably just depending on the elements available in the video editor that you're using. But in most cases, those elements are just limited, and if you wanted to add more elements, it might be really frustrating. And so today, I'm rendering a lot of animated flat elements that you can simply add on top of your videos. And these elements can be imported in most of the common video creating software available out there. In fact, these elements can be used not just in videos, but in your presentations and in your web pages as well. I'm calling this Animated Flat 2.0, and I'll be releasing it to probably next month. But you have the chance to get this earlier at a much affordable price today. So let me now show you some of the elements available in this collection. So as you can see, I'm now here in the folder of Animated Flat 2.0 collection, and as you can see, there's a lot of folders here with different categories such as these things, adventure, arrows, avatar, backgrounds, and a lot of other things. And actually, I'm still adding more to this, but let me already show you some of the available elements that I already rendered. So inside backgrounds, for example, as you can see, there's a lot of great looking backgrounds right here. And these are not just the usual backgrounds that you see out there, which are most of the time too distracting, like a 3D studio that for me is not really that useful because they are too much. Because when we say background, they should be just simple because they will just be used as backgrounds and they should not be there to, get a lot of attention because, well, they are just backgrounds. So let me just play some of this for you so that you can preview them. Background number 10, for example, as you can see, that looks really good. This is background number 1. And again, as you can see, it's really slick and looking cool, flat animated background. And let me open some more categories here. Let me show you the advanced shapes. And let me play some of these. And let me actually import some of them inside Camtasia so that you can see well how they look. And by the way, these are in Full HD, so you can use them on top of a Full HD video. As you can see, these are really high quality animated shapes that you can use as an overlay on top of your video. And let's check out some of the other categories here. There are also particles, and these are just simple particles that again you can just add on top of your video. And of course, there's a lot more here. And aside from these things such as particles and shapes, as you can see, there's a lot of other categories here as well, like buildings, badges, avatar, arrows, cosmetic, corporate, and a lot of other things. And under corporate, you can see a lot of other flat animated elements here. And again, let me just import a few of them here. And as you can see, these are high quality animated flat elements that you can use either in your animated explainer video or even on top of your live action video. And actually, I usually do this in most of my videos that I create for myself as well as for my clients. And there's a lot of this here, and I'll not go ahead and play all of them because that can take so much time. But I'll just add some overview video below so that you can see a preview of some of these. And I also add some videos where I used some of these elements so that you can see how they are used in a real video. And like I said, these elements are not just for videos. You can use them for your web pages as well. And here's an exact example of a page where I use some of these elements. And this is the sales page of my product social video ads. And as you can see, I have some animated elements right here, like this one. And here's another one, also this one, and also this one. So as you can see here, this flat design is applied here, and I went even further by making them animated. And so once you got this animated flat 2.0 elements, you can use them in your web pages as well. And of course, if you're creating some presentations inside PowerPoint or Keynote, of course you can use them as well. So yep, these are high quality animated elements that I highly recommend that you grab right now. And like I said, this is something that I'm planning to release to public next month, but you have the chance to get it at a very affordable price today. And so it's a great idea to grab it today so that you can get it at a much affordable price, because next month, once I release this to public, the price will be much higher. And as my subscriber or website visitor or my follower in my Facebook group or Facebook page, I'm telling you this earlier so that you will have the chance to get it at a lower price. And so yep, thanks a lot for watching this episode where I talked about Flat 2.0, but I went even further by creating this animated Flat 2.0 for you. So yep, I look forward to seeing you grabbing these elements and using them for your videos, presentations, and web pages. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Cham, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.